Hey everyone, it's Jenny. I'm back with another mixed plate embellishment video for you. So I've been doing a lot of like just die cutting and that kind of stuff. So I thought I would just share with you some of the embellishments that I've made. So this one I didn't finish obviously, but I just wanted to see how big this one actually came out, and it's bigger than the picture. This is an old Simon Says Stamp bubblegum machine die, and the reason why I wanted to make it is because Cutesy Shelf, I think her name is DM Hi, she made like a Hello Kitty bubblegum machine, and I really want to make that, but I have to figure out how to make the head with like as a frame so you can make it a shaker. But I think this might be a good base for it, so I wanted to just try it out and see how that worked. So and then what I plan on doing is just leaving some of the samples that I make with it so that I can just like really quickly see if I want to cut that or not, because sometimes you don't want to waste like your good paper on it. So I did the same with this set. So this is the new Sizzix. It's like retro kind of stuff, but they're really small, so I wanted to see like what it looked like because it comes with like so many different like small pieces. I didn't put together all of them, but I did do some, so I just thought I would share with you so you can see like how big it actually is. So I didn't do the roller skate. I did the tape, but I didn't do, there was one more I didn't do. I think it was like the disc. I think it was this one, the disc. Okay, so here's the boom box, and this is how big it looks. So it's really tiny, but it's a really cute, I think this would be cute like for flag embellishments or like in the middle of a rosette. So I just cut it all out of pink so that I didn't have to like figure out like what colors to cut it out of. But at least now I'll have more reference so that when I do cut it out, I'll know like if I want to make the speakers a certain color, then I have to cut it out of a different paper. So that's why I wanted to make some of the samples. Okay, this is actually the tape, and I know because it has the ribbon part of it. And sorry, I didn't glue it. It moved after I glued it, but that's kind of what it will look like. And then here's the, oh, I did do the roller skate. So here's the roller skate, and that's what it'll look like. Again, I've always been looking for a really small roller skate because the one Nicole Silhouette has is like huge. And this is better for like doing embellishments, so I thought that this would be kind of fun. And then I got the Game Boy, so look how small the Game Boy is. But I like the sizes. Just again, whenever you want to do embellishments, it'll totally be okay. Even though the I'm not gonna lie, the pieces are really small, but I think it's worth it. Okay, so I did do that. And then again, I haven't cut out a lot of these dies. Some of them are new, some of them are not, so I just wanted to kind of try them out and see if I liked it and so forth. So let me just kind of show you what I did. Okay, so here are the cakes that I made. So these are the same. These are all the same. I just interchanged them, as you can tell. And these are this MFT die. The thing I don't like about this is that it just cuts everything out. So you have to basically piece it together. So what I did is I didn't die cut it. I just glued it onto some acetate so it's stronger. You can do it on like white paper, and then I just fussy cut around it. But then at least it's all together now. Otherwise it would be like falling apart. There's nothing for it to adhere to each other. So I kind of wish they had like one solid piece that you could then layer, but it's still okay, I guess. You just got to make your own. So I have a few cake pieces now, so that goes with this. I should actually stick it in there so I know that I have them. Yeah, in case I need a quick birthday card. Okay, this is a longer die, a taller cake. And I don't know how much I like that. I wish it had like a score line or something to make it look like that's the top of the cake. But that's all you get. And then so then you can put the candle on the top. But I actually like this cake better. I don't know, it's okay. Maybe if you do the rainbow it would look better. And then I did do this cake. Sorry, I have like so many cakes. So this cake doesn't say what it's supposed to look like, but I cut it apart so it's hard to see now. But it's a layer cake, so it has like the big cake, and then these are all like decorative parts. and then it has the bottom, and then it has the word celebrate. So I was just die cutting it to see what it would look like, and I actually kind of like this one. Look how cute it looks. So I cut the main piece out of this rainbow stripe, and then I cut a few of the detail pieces in gold along with the stand. And then the celebrate I cut out of gold glitter. And then there's this other piece that I just stuck on top here so that it looked a little bit different from the side. And then I glued the celebrate because it wasn't sturdy, right? So I glued it to an acetate piece, and now it looks like it's floating above the cake. So I think I kind of like that look, and I'll probably do that again if I ever make this again. But you don't have to use celebrate. I'm sure you could do other words, or you could do candles or something like that. But I do actually like it, even though it's a bigger die. I think that is actually kind of fun. So I'll probably make more of those later on. I'm still trying to use that rainbow paper, you guys. Crazy, yeah. Okay, let's do this rose. So this is the new rose die that I got from Frank Garcia Studio. So it's like a layered rose, and at first I was like, oh my god, it's like so many layers, and it's a lot of dyes, so I was a little intimidated. But it's yeah, it did take me a little while, I'm not gonna lie. It's not like super easy, but you know, you just gotta bear with it. And so I made 2, and then again, this is just out of my scraps, so it's not anything like I would normally make. I just want a sample of it. So I kind of tried to get like 2 different shades of yellow. This one I just cut it all in the same, and then I die cut the accent pieces out of gold because I wanted to see how that would look. And it's actually pretty nice. I think I like some of my other layering ones better. The leaves are really nice though. Here's the leaves. And then so you can just stick it on the side. So it's pretty nice. It's very Maggie Holmes-ish looking. So anyway, oops, I keep hitting it. I'm sorry. So I think maybe I think it'll be nicer if you use like different paper. And I think you should just use like solid paper, like how they did here. I think that will look nicer than what I tried to use. Okay, next I have the sneaker, the high top. It's like Converse shoes. It's a KS Craft die that I got recently, but it's also makes it into a shaker. So here's the frame one. So I had a little bit hard time figuring out what each part is for. But eventually I don't know, I just made it up. Hopefully it's okay. So I made these 2 using that Bella Boulevard. It's like fruits mostly, but they did have some rainbows. So I did that, and then I die cut the acetate out, and it makes that indentation, which is kind of cool. So anyway, that's the shoes, and they're cute, right? I don't know, I kind of like it. Okay, so that's that. And then I did do these word dies. This is from KS Crafts as well, and these are more like birthday and celebration kind of dies. So you get wishes, which you can pair with birthday. And then, which I did a birthday wishes here. See, birthday wishes. And I figure I might as well make it coordinating so I can use it on a card later. And then you have happy birthday. And then this is all the paper I'm still trying to get rid of. Then you have celebrate. And then you have hooray. Oops, upside down. Hooray. And then I did happy birthday in the gold glitter. So that is those dies, which I really like those. Okay, and then I went a little crazy. I was watching Christian's video on making, I think she was inspired by, I want to say it's a Jen Hatfield ephemera piece, like a sticker or something, which was like a cell phone. I think it was a cell phone. And she made it into a shaker, and she was just making a bunch of them, and it was really cute. And as I was thinking about it, I'm like, oh my god, I think I have a die that makes a cell phone or an iPad looking thing. So this is not it. This is all my retro stuff. Can you see? Where did I put that die? Oh gosh. Well, just trust me, I have a die set. Where did I put it? I don't know. But it's basically just the, oh, I wish I could show it to you. I don't know where I put it. But it's just the outline. Oh, here it is. I see it here. Okay. So I don't even know if you can still get it anymore, you guys. But it comes with 2 sizes, which is what I liked about it. So So here's the bigger size with the back, but the back is a little bit smaller, yeah, so stuff might hang out the back, so I just kind of reinforced it by gluing it onto another piece of cardstock. And here's the smaller size, so depending on which one you want, right? And then I guess you can make it into a clipboard because it gives you like the bulldog clip. It has to call me. I think these are the buttons for the middle. They give you little speech bubble so that it looks like you're texting each other. And then it has like a Barbie head. And this is for the smaller one. So I had it for a really long time. Again, I don't know if you can still get it on AliExpress. You probably just have to search for cell phone shaker die, something like that. Anyway, so these are all the ones I made. So the first one I made were these Hello Kitty ones. Okay, so I made this one and I die cut out the paper. This is the Cricut paper. And I thought, oh, it's gonna look so cute to put Hello Kitty inside. And then I put too much sequins so it covers her. So it made me a little mad. But anyway, so that was like one of the first ones that I made. And then I got a little smarter. This one is on the inside. Okay, so I stuck the sticker on the inside and I'm like, okay, this time I'm gonna just use transparent sequins. So even if I put too much, you can still see her, which that worked, right? And then I used that Fruits Bella Boulevard on again. And I got smarter and then I put the sticker on the outside. So these are all like my just stickers I had in my stash for a long time, like when I go to Japan or sometimes I order some, so I just thought I would try to use them here. And then I did put these are actually Doodlebug matte what are they called, those dots, enamel dots, but I just used them because I had them lying around. So those are the first ones that I made. And then I got really inspired and I decided that I was going to try to make more. And I was going to use the new Majestic Opulent paper that I got from Sizzix, which is actually from Frank Garcia Studio. Okay, so I just cut a whole bunch and I'll just share with you how I decorated it. So the first batch is from like more Doodlebug-ish. So I did use the holographic paper for the outside, and then I used some of the cut aparts for the inside on some of them. So again, I tried to use more of the iridescent sequins, and this one is like a more of a busier holographic, and then I have the enamel dot here, but it's really cute with the ladybug. And then here's a fairy. So this one I actually tried to make my own sequence mix, but I think it's too big for this small one, so it was kind of all blocking her, so I had to put very little in there. And then I put one with the bees. So cute. And then these are, oh, I have one more. So these small ones are all from the 6x6 paper pad. One of the pieces has a cut apart, and so I decided to try and use it this time. So this one I put all the stars. Okay, and these are the bigger ones. So these I used stickers. This is from the smaller sticker set, not the big one. I forgot what they're called, but it comes with 2 sheets of stickers and they're smaller. So they were perfect for this. So I used this fairy swinging. This is that same sequence mix. And then I used this fairy with the butterfly. This is the rainbow background. Because it was kind of busy, I just used like clear and holographic sequins. And then this is that cute, what are they called? Fireflies. And then I used the same paper in the background. So cute! Okay, so that was the Doodlebug Fairy collection. And then I tried to use some of the Maggie Holmes Garden Party. And I was playing around with that. So here, there was a sticker book with these see-through stickers. I don't know if they're vellum or what, but they're all see-through, and I wasn't sure like how I would ever use it, but I think it actually works nicely with this. So this is the Maggie Holmes background papers, and then this is the sticker from the collection along with the word love, and I think it came out pretty cute that way. So I did one with hello and the bow, and then this one I put one of the colored ones with the hello, and this is that same paper stack, that Sizzix Opulent Mystical or something. And here's another one. So I put Bloom and Grow, and then I put 2 flowers. And then this one I put the cake and I wrote love this. So, and then I tried to make a Maggie Holmes sequin mix. Anyway, so I think that those came out pretty cute. And then I just made a few extra that I can just decorate however I want later on, because I wasn't sure what else I would use it for. But I wanted to have some that were like kind of done that I could just slap on something, and some that I could just, you know, make later. So that is all of my mixed plate haul for, I mean, not haul, mixed plate embellishment share for this weekend. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.